Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella discussed how artificial intelligence is transforming agriculture in India, highlighting the struggles faced by sugarcane farmers in Battis Shirala, Maharashtra, who have faced pests, droughts, diseases, debt, and even suicide due to these issues. AI is now helping them improve their lives. Nadella shared a video showing how a Maharashtra farmer, part of the Baramati Cooperative Bank scheme, utilized AI to boost crop yields, reduce chemical usage, and optimize water consumption. The technology, which uses geospatial data from drones and satellites, facilitated better farming decisions, resulting in healthier, more sustainable harvests. Nadella praised the remarkable impact of AI in agriculture. Elon Musk responded to a video by stating that AI will enhance all aspects of life. In 2022, Microsoft partnered with the Agricultural Development Trust, ADT, to launch an agri-tech project in Baramati, utilizing AI and satellite imaging to enhance crop growth. Microsoft acknowledged its previous underestimation of search engine importance. So, how is the Maharashtra government exploring AI in the agriculture sector? The Maharashtra government is exploring the use of AI in agriculture to enhance productivity and reduce costs for farmers. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar emphasized AI's potential to monitor crop health, soil conditions, and pests, addressing challenges like unpredictable weather and labor shortages. The Maha Agri-Tech project utilizes satellite imagery and AI to track crops, predict yields, and provide real-time data to farmers, aiding in better decision-making about planting, irrigation, and pest control, while also enhancing supply chain efficiency and reducing production costs. How is AI helping farmers? First, precision farming. AI analyzes data from drones, sensors, and satellites to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This reduces waste and improves crop yields. Second, crop disease detection. AI can detect diseases like apple scabs or yellow rust in wheat with up to 95% accuracy, allowing farmers to take timely action. Third, weed control. AI-powered systems can distinguish weeds from crops and apply herbicides selectively, saving costs and reducing environmental harm. And fourth, livestock monitoring. AI tools monitor the health of livestock, detecting illnesses early and improving productivity. Here are some initiatives by the government. The Indian government is actively promoting AI in agriculture through projects like Kisan eMitra, an AI-powered chatbot that helps farmers with queries about government schemes and farming practices. National Pest Surveillance System. It uses AI to detect and manage pest-related issues. IoT-based irrigation systems. Automates irrigation based on real-time soil and weather data. What are the upcoming challenges? AI's potential to revolutionize Indian agriculture is promising, but challenges like limited digital literacy, poor infrastructure, and high costs need to be addressed with government support and private sector innovation. The global AI in agriculture market is predicted to grow significantly, reaching $4.7 billion by 2028, highlighting its importance in addressing age-old challenges with confidence and precision, particularly for Indian farmers. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.